Abahlali bathi ingxaki yamadama agcwele amanzi elindle nalapho uluntu lunyanzeleka ukuba lunqumle kuyo xa lusiya naxa lubuya emsebenzini sele iyiminyaka engama-20 bejamelene nayo. Bathi kudala becela uncedo kumasipala kodwa unangoku akukabikho ntshukumo ngakwicala lakhe.
The issue of the sewer comes back from 16 years back. And this thing is killing our community. As much as one can say, this is the second person that has passed on regarding in connection with this sewer. We've been marching, and as we speak right now, we're still in the process of marching in connection to the sewer that is flowing in our community.
We are going to make charges against them. We are not going to hesitate about it.
Amapolisa akungqinile kokuba asakhangela usapho lwendoda efunyenwe ibhubhile kulamanzi elindle.
SAPS are investigating an inquest into the death of an unknown male person after his body was discovered in a water pool filled with sewage. This was next to the Jan Kempdorp main road. Body was discovered by a passerby.
Imizamo yelijelo lendaba uSABC lokufumana impendulo kumasipala iphukwane iwe phansi. Nobelungu Nowapane kwindaba zeSABC eJan Kempdorp.